Good morning, students. Mayank Singh, your teacher from MB Patel English Medium and Higher Secondary School. Today we will start a new topic, which is HUF, Hindu Undivided Family. Fifth chapter, which is Forms of Business Organization 1. So, in this video, we will learn about Hindu Undivided Family, which is HUF. Okay. This family business is basically in India and in Nepal. Okay, so this type of business is practiced in India and in Nepal only. So what is HUF? HUF, according to Hindu law, business is inheritable. Business acquired by way of inheritance by Hindu undivided family is called a form of HUF. Okay, so HUF, in which the administration of the family is done by the head of the family. And the head of the family is known as Karta. Okay, so the Karta is known as the head of the family, and he is the senior most in age in the family business, in the HUF business. And all the decisions, all the administration work is to be taken or is to be checked or managed by the head of the family, who is Karta. So administration of such firm is in the head of the family. He is called Karta. So Karta is the head of the family. He manages all the administration work of the Hindu undivided family, and this family business is run by with a family in which all the family members are the members of this business. Okay, so HUF is a Hindu undivided family in which all the family members of that family will work as a business partners in that family business. Second, we will go through the characteristics of Hindu undivided family. So first one is existence by law. So the form of Hindu undivided family come into existence by law. Okay. So by law means we have to register this business by the registrar of the company. Okay. So if you want to start a business in Hindu undivided family, we have to register our family business with the registrar of the business. Okay. Second is management. The management of the firm is in the hand of senior most person of family, who is called Karta. Okay, so the management is done by the head of the family, which is known as Karta. Okay, and he is also the head of the family business. Third one, independent family field of operation. Third characteristic is independent field of operation. Business management is done by the Karta independently. Okay, so the business management is done by Karta, and the other members have no right to take part or interrupt the business processing, and but they can help the Karta of the family. ठीक है, तो Karta जो है, he is the head of the family. He will take all the decisions regarding the administration work or the management work of the family business, but other members will not interrupt in his decision, but they can only help to the Karta. So other members cannot object against the suitability of decision taken by Karta. जो भी Karta ने जो भी decisions लिए हैं उनकी उसकी suitability के according, ठीक है, उसमें कोई भी other members क्या है उसके against खड़े नहीं हो सकते हैं. Okay, so the head of the family is the Karta and he will take all the decisions. Fourth is membership. The membership of the firm of Hindu undivided family is by birth. मेंबरशिप कैसे, जैसे ही फैमिली में कोई भी न्यू बर्थ हुआ, न्यू बॉर्न चाइल्ड विल ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ दैट फैमिली बिजनेस. ओके, सो द फैमिली कंट्रोल or the child born in the family gets the membership right from his birth. जैसे कोई न्यू बेबी बॉर्न हुआ उस फैमिली में, फैमिली बिजनेस में, वैसे ही वो उस फैमिली का हिस्सा बन जाएगा। फिफ्थ इज फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल। In financial control, all financial matters of the business lies in the hand of Karta. We have already read in previous independent field of operation. Like Karta is the only person who is taking the administration work and the management work by himself. Okay? No one can interrupt him. ऐसे financial control है. So all the matters of the financial lies with the hand of Karta. So the financial control also remains in the hand of कर्ता। तो कर्ता के पास जो हेड ऑफ द फैमिली है उसी के पास सारे फाइनेंशियल जो भी फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन है या रिगार्डिंग टू द कैपिटल, रिगार्डिंग टू द इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसीज इज रिमेन्ड विद द कर्ता ऑफ द फैमिली। तो जो भी हेड है वही अपना सारी डिटेल्स करेगा। Sixth one is liability. Liability, you all know what is liability. Okay, so entire business is under the administration of कर्ता। ठीक है, जैसे हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में स्टडी किया था कि सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप का जो लायबिलिटी होता है, सोल प्रोप्राइटर हिमसेल्फ इज लायबल फॉर ऑल द डेट्स ऑफ द बिजनेस। जितनी भी उधार उसने ली है वो खुद ही चुकाएगा। So in this business, in Hindu undivided family, entire business is under the administration of Karta. Therefore, the liabilities of Karta is unlimited. जो भी कर्ता की liability होगी, क्यों? क्योंकि he is the owner of the business और वही सारे administration या management work को check कर रहा है. So the liabilities of Karta is unlimited. But whereas the liabilities of other member is limited. Other members की जो liability है वो limited होगी because Karta is the head of the family and he take part in all the financial decisions in the HUF family. Okay, so उसकी जो भी decision powers हैं वो सब करता लेता है, इसलिए उसकी जो liabilities हैं that will be unlimited and other members liabilities will be limited. Okay. Seventh, we'll go to seventh characteristics, which is lifespan. Lifespan means for how long the business will continue. Okay, so on the death of the कर्ता or other member of the family, the business continues. अगर कर्ता की डेथ हो गई बाई चांस या फिर कोई भी फैमिली मेंबर की डेथ हुई, the business will continue as long. business कहीं पे भी रुकेगा नहीं, business will continue. Okay, and if the कर्ता dies, the next senior most person of the family will become the कर्ता of the business. Okay, वही कर्ता बन जाएगा. Okay, so now the eighth point is difficulty in raising funds. So difficulty in raising funds means because this is a family business, so the success of the firm depends on the efficiency of कर्ता and the firm has to dependent on the members of the family for raising funds. ठीक है, तो जितने भी फैमिली मेंबर्स होंगे वही अपने फैमिली बिजनेस पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे. ओके, सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू रेज एडिशनल कैपिटल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. बाहर से पैसा मिलना मुश्किल होता है एंड ओनली द फैमिली मेंबर्स विल इन्वेस्ट और टेक पार्ट इन द फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस इन द फैमिली. ठीक है, जो फंड रेजिंग का काम है वो सिर्फ फैमिली मेंबर्स करेंगे. Now move on to next characteristics, which is insolvency. Insolvency means when the business is declared insolvent, means bankrupt, या फिर वो बिजनेस के पास फंड नहीं है अपनी लाइबिलिटीज को पे करने के लिए, अपने खर्चे जो भी एक्सपेंसेस है उनको पे करने के लिए उनके पास पैसा नहीं है. दैट इज नोन एज इंसॉल्वेंसी. Okay, so when the firm becomes insolvent, the members of the family are declared insolvent. The minors are excluded. ठीक है, अब जब भी फर्म जो भी HUF है अगर उसको इंसॉल्वेंट हुआ, अगर वो अपनी लाइबिलिटीज पे नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो द मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली आर डिक्लेयर्ड इंसॉल्वेंट. मतलब सारे मेंबर्स क्या हैं, दे आर बैंकरप्ट, मींस उनके पास कोई भी पैसा नहीं है, दे कैन नॉट पे देयर लाइबिलिटीज. ओके, बट द माइनर्स, जो माइनर हैं, ठीक है, जो 18 ईयर्स से कम है या फिर जो भी उनका जो भी उनके एज पर द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म, जो उसमें लिखा गया है कि जो भी मेंबर्स हैं, जो भी मेंबर्स होंगे, अगर 18 ईयर से कम है तो वो माइनस काउंट होंगे, या फिर 20 ईयर से कम है तो माइनस काउंट होंगे। ओके, सो एज पर द डिसीजन टेकन, उसमें जो भी माइनस होंगे दे विल बी एक्सक्लूडेड फॉर द इंसॉल्वेंसी, या फिर और फॉर द लाइबिलिटी, लाइबिलिटी माइनस पे नहीं करेंगे। फॉर पेमेंट ऑफ डेट, the share of all family members of the HUF can be taken into consideration. The liability of कर्ता is unlimited. Okay, so सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स के जो भी कंसिडरेशन है, सारे शेयर्स को कंसिडर किया जाएगा, बट कर्ता की जो लाइबिलिटी है दैट इज अनलिमिटेड। सो first the karta will pay all the all the debts, and then after the family members. Okay, so these are the characteristics of HUF. Hope you have understood what is HUF, what is a Hindu undivided family. Okay, so it is a family which is run by the Hindu family members in India and in Nepal. So जो इनका existence है वो कहाँ पर है, इंडिया और नेपाल। Okay, so hope you have understood the topic, and thank you for watching.